you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Excuse my messy hair and excuse my messy kitchen, but sometimes there are things I just need to show you. Now, I've got a grocery haul for you today, a $122 grocery haul, but it's a good one. Things are on sale. I want to show you what I got, and I did this before going to the food pantry, but I didn't want to miss the sale. So, without further ado, let me show you what I got and what I'm going to do with it to really stretch my budget. All right, we're going to start over here on the other side of the kitchen because I got so much. And I got so much junk over there. I got some salmon dip just to have. It was $5.30, but this is so good. Oh, so good. Then I got some green chilies for my cold bean dip that I'm going to show you guys how to make. And it's low fat, low sodium. 2 boxes of sodium-free chicken bouillon. This is a lifesaver. You can make so many things with this. Gravy, soup, dips, just endless things. Sauces, and sodium-free, so you control the sodium. I got some no-salt chips. I got some bay leaves, a huge thing of them. Some sugar. It was on sale, I believe, for $2, I think, or something like that. Then I got 2 cans of soup, cream of chicken. This is a new brand I'm trying. It was only $1.29, so I got it. I'll let you know how it is. I'll do a review on this soup, okay? And check it out. Also, I wanted to show you this. Get it in focus here. Only 410 milligrams of sodium. That's much lower, much lower. Then I got some angel hair pasta for my cold pasta salads I'm going to make and show you this week. I got some wonderful raspberry preserves. Same new company. This was only $2 and something. Then I got some pickled beets for my salad. I got some croutons to go on top of my salad. Some baked beans. Then I got some Saison seasoning. Now, I usually don't buy this. I usually make it because I make mine salt-free. But I did need some, so I got some. So I'm going to mix this with my own seasoning to spread it out and lower the sodium content. Then I got some Italian dressing. Some creamy Italian dressing. Don't look at the ugly bucket. Sorry, didn't mean to show that. We're cleaning up over here. I swear I'm cleaning. I got some fruit punch. Some onion powder. Buttermilk Ranch. That same new company. Now, we're going to take a look at all this stuff here. Then we're going to jump over here, and I'm going to show you what I was so excited about. Look, nieces and nephews, all this meat. These were on sale for, I believe, $2.99. Sweet Italian sausage. Then I got these on sale. These were $1.99, I believe. Smoked Eckrich sausage. I got the 2 types, the 4-pepper sausage and the regular kind with no skin. Then I got some beef Polishes because I wanted some. They were on sale. And look at this. Look at this. Boneless pork ribs, country style. On sale. $1.99. This whole thing was $5. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing but meat. Then we got another one. This one was $6.69. Look how much meat you get in there. Then we got another one for $5.99. Look at that. I can, of course, put these on the grill, but I can also make some Asian dishes. Barbecue pork, or teriyaki pork. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Butter garlic pork, with a white wine. Absolutely. Oh, and I don't want you to miss this. I got some soda, Green River, and Twist. These are really good. I got this especially because me and my mom used to drink this. It's so good. We were watching a horror movie when we were watching this. It was actually called Green Slime. How apropos. Okay. Then over here, look at this. I got some fish on sale. Oh, don't mind the puppies in the background. Nina's a mommy now, everybody. Nina had her puppies. Listen to them. I got some tilapia, $6.49 for a pound. Then I got some catfish fillets. They were $9.99 a pound. I got some salad, already mixed. This was on sale for $2 and something. I got a green pepper. And I got some red onions. I love raw red onions. Love them. They are my absolute favorite. I'm trying to get this open. You put these in a salad. They're also going to go in my cold salad with the pasta. There we go. And it's also going to go in my regular salad. Look at these. How nice are these? Wow. We're going to get a little bit of a glimpse at everything I got here. Yes, I spent $122, but do you know how far that will go? And then I'm going to go to the food pantry and stretch it even more. This will last more than a month, way more than a month. I can make so many dishes, so many ethnic dishes, so many ways, even soul food dishes. So I'm going to show you, the cold pasta salads, of course, but I'm going to show you these other dishes I make too that stretch the budget and are a little bit decadent. Why can't you? Hey, spoil yourself. Why not? All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Uncle Chris saying big love. Write to me at unclechris@gmail. Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef @gmail.com. I always mess that up. So we're going to do some dishes all this week. I'm so glad I could get this bonus video to you guys, let you know what I'm doing. Now I got to get busy cleaning the kitchen. Listen to those puppies. Anybody want a puppy? Write to me. All right. Yes, smile for the camera. Look, everybody, it's a little Nina. Look, you're so cute.
Uncle Chris, what you got